Navigating the intricate landscape of accounting can be a daunting task, but fear not. Enter the trial balance, your accounting North Star. Picture it as a celestial worksheet that not only compiles but also organizes the ebbs and flows of debits and credits from the general ledger. It's the litmus test, the numerical maestro ensuring that your bookkeeping symphony is hitting all the right notes. In the world of SanMart, a bustling hub of transactions and financial intricacies, the trial balance serves as the financial gatekeeper, standing guard over the numerical integrity of the company's financial records. The essence lies in the balance, such as in this example over here. We have 3,800 on this side and we have 3,800 on the other side. When we will go through these examples listed on this spreadsheet, you will understand that the essence lies in balance. There is a delicate equilibrium where each debit finds its credit counterpart. The SanMart ledger, akin to a narrative woven through debits and credits, captures the essence of business transactions. And we see a number of ledger accounts over here bears the weight of multiple transactions, and the trial balance on the right hand side extracts their cumulative wisdom. Now let's delve deep into these examples. First example, SanMart initiates the financial dance with a deposit of $1,000 into the bank. Simultaneously, an investment of $200 in office supplies enriches the assets. A twist in the tale as office supplies extends credit to SanMart Capital, adding $200 to the payable balance. A transaction unfolds where the accounts payable pays off its debt to the bank, reducing both sides by $200 each. Then in this transaction, we see that the bank revels in a substantial deposit of $2,800. Simultaneously, sales accounts for $3,000, while accounts receivable captures a share of $200. Again, the debits, $3,000, equal to the credits, $3,000. The ledger witnesses an expense as storage rent claims $160 from the bank. Complex play unfolds with salaries expense making its entrance with a charge of $350. And this is paid through the bank. In this particular transaction, we see that the cost of goods sold and the inventory engage in a transaction worth $900. SanMart buys $900 worth of supplies that is recorded in the cost of goods sold, and it holds these supplies as inventory. Going down our list, we see a personal touch as Drawings Dawn and Drawings Lizzie claim their shares from the bank, amounting to $60 and $140 respectively. The utilities make their presence known, incurring an expense of $120 paid off from the bank. And the grand finale sees SanMart Rentals expense entering the ledger, claiming its share of $400 from the bank. As the curtains fall on an accounting period, remember that assets and expenses stand tall with their debit banners, while liabilities and revenues gracefully wave their credit flags. It's a financial tableau where every character takes a bow, revealing the sum of their financial exploits. Moving on to the right hand side of our spreadsheet, we see the trial balance at play. Picture the trial balance as a canvas split into two columns, debits on the left, credits on the right, with account titles standing sentinel to their numerical ballet. It's a meticulous choreography ensuring that every debit's pirouette is mirrored by a credit's elegant twirl. And if the double entry dance has been flawlessly executed, the sum of debits will seamlessly waltz with the sum of credits. The journey to this trial balance involves a dance with ledger accounts. Balancing of these accounts is akin to a meticulous tango, especially when accounts are adorned with both debit and credit entries. When you look at the left and the right hand side of our spreadsheet, you can start to make sense of what exactly is happening. In this transaction 1A, we had $1,000 debiting our bank account, and that $1,000 went into the SanMart account. So the 1A is reflected under the bank trial balance. We have $1,000 debit over here, and then under the SanMart capital account, we have a $1,000 credit over here. So we have a debit and a credit that matches this 1A transaction over here. If we scroll down and have a look at 1B, it was a $200 transaction that was hitting the office supplies and the accounts payable accounts. We see a $200 credit in the accounts payable trial balance, $200 debit in the office supplies account as well. So you will be able to find the matching debit and credit entries in our T accounts listed on the right-hand side. As the curtains fall on this module, a trial balance stands as more than a numerical checkpoint. It's a testament of SanMart's financial narrative. The trial balance, a conductor in this symphony of numbers, ensures that every financial note is played in absolute harmony. Remember this, as the ledger accounts unfold their tales, each entry, credit, and debit contribute to the intricate dance of accounting. This detailed narration in the ledger sets the stage for the ultimate performance, which is the trial balance.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.